What is up guys, Dana this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Google Ads certificate on your LinkedIn profile. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. After typing, you will see this first official website of LinkedIn. Click on this website. After clicking, if you are new to LinkedIn, you will see this type of interface. You can continue with Microsoft or you can sign in with email. Now, after login or signing in, you will be welcomed to the homepage of LinkedIn. So from here on the right side at the top, click on your profile and then click on view profile. Now, after coming to view profile, click on add profile section. After coming here, click on recommended, and after that, click on add licenses and certifications. Now, after coming here, type the name of your Google Ads certifications. After typing, you need to type your organization issuing. For this video, Google Ads certification is organized by Google, of course. So write Google, and then you need to write the issue date, like the month and the year of your issue date of your certificate, and then the expiration date and year of your certificate. Now enter your credential ID that is mentioned in your certificate and then the credential URL that has been given on your certificate. After that, click on save and your Google Ads certification would be added to your LinkedIn profile. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.